A pleasant day to each and everyone. Praise be Jesus. We are the Group 2 from Grade 11 St. Monica, and we are here today to tackle or to discuss our report on how we helped a certain printing company in which we have formulated a new equation for us to be able to determine the price that must be given to a certain client in a certain purchase for a specific amount of money. So as a hired consulting team, we are tasked to formulate an equation and for us to be able to solve a certain questions or queries that might be coming from our clients. So as for the fact that we have been into a process where we have interviewed a certain personnel in the JL printing business and tarpaulin printing services, we have accumulated an information that this shop have a printing fee for 90 pesos each t-shirt and a one-time fee of 120 pesos for their design or layout fee, and their t-shirt alone cost 100 pesos each. So we have created an equation in which is represented through D plus P multiplied by N plus T multiplied by N is equal to X, in which D represented the design fee, P is for the printing fee, and N is for the number of shirts or the quantity needed, and same goes with T multiplied by N. T represents t-shirt and N the number of shirts needed. And X is the total value or the total cost of the product that should be or that can be purchased by our clients. So as you can see, we have created a chart here in which it can represent the products or the total amount that a client should pay for a certain value or quantity they wanted or they needed. So this chart was made to make it easier for you and for our clients to understand the corresponding prices for each quantity given or needed by the clients.
How much does 150 printed shirts cost? So what we did here is that we simply changed the variables to the given prices. 120 is the design fee, which is constant. 90 is the printing fee. 150 is the number of shirts to be printed. 100 is the t-shirt fee. And 150 is the number of shirts that will be printed. We simply multiply the printing fee, which is 90 pesos, and the t-shirt fee, 100 pesos, to the number of shirts to be printed, which is 150 pieces, and added their products to the design fee, which is 120 pesos, which gives us the total cost of 28,620 pesos. Note, in the solution provided, only the D value is changed. How much does 750 printed shirts cost? So again, we simply change the variables to the given prices. 120 is the one-time the fee of design fee. 90 is the printing fee. 750 is the number of shirts to be printed. 100 is the t-shirt fee, and 750 is the number of shirts that will be printed, which is 750 pieces, and added their products to the design fee, which is 120 pesos, which gives us the total cost of 142,620 pesos.
Question number 2. If a customer wanted to know how many shirts they could order for 3,000 pesos budget, what would you say? Explain how you figure this out. This is our solution. 3,000 pesos is the budget amount. 120 pesos is the design fee, which is constant. 90 pesos is the printing fee. 1 is the number of shirt being printed, 100 is the t-shirt fee, and 1 is the number of shirt. First added the product of the printing fee, which is 90 pesos, multiplied by the number of shirt, which is 1 shirt, and the t-shirt fee is 100 pesos, multiplied by 1 shirt, which gives us a total amount of 190 pesos. We then subtracted the design fee, which is 120 pesos, to the budget of 3,000 pesos, and getting the answer of 2,880 pesos, which we divided it to the total of printing and t-shirt fee, hence getting an answer of 15 pieces of printed shirts. So the budget is 3,000 pesos. Let us check to see whether the customer's money is just the right amount or if they have any change. Finding the total cost and the change. So again, 120 pesos is the design fee, 90 pesos is the printing fee, 15 is the number of shirts to be printed, 100 is the t-shirt fee, 15 is the number of shirts to be printed. They have any change. So we multiplied the printing fee and t-shirt fee to 15 pieces of shirts. So we get the amount of 2,970 pesos, then subtracted it to the budget amount of 3,000 pesos, which gives us an answer of 30 pesos. So the customer's change from the budget is 30 pesos.
Question number 3. What if the company charges a one-time fee of 200 pesos to set up the design plus 80 pesos for each t-shirt to be printed? The answer: 200 pesos one-time design fee plus 80 pesos printing fee multiplied by the number of t-shirts to be printed plus 100 pesos t-shirt fee multiplied by how many t-shirts to be printed, a total of 380 pesos. We simply multiply the printing fee 80 pesos and the t-shirt fee 100 pesos to the number of shirts to be printed, and added their products to the design fee 200 pesos, which gives us the total cost of 380 pesos.